Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current Mac OS version and immediate update eligibility. Plug the Mac into power and connect your backup drive. Once done, run Time Machine or create a bootable clone so you can restore quickly. Make sure you have at least 20 GB free or roughly 20% of disk space. This prevents install failures. Then open System Settings or System Preferences and go to Software Update to start downloading the installer. You'll monitor progress and address prompts as they appear. You'll now let the installer run while you monitor the machine. Once the download finishes, click Install and accept prompts. The Mac will prepare and then restart automatically. Keep your Mac plugged in and connected to a reliable network. Make sure it doesn't sleep during large downloads. If apps warn they need updates, update them now to prevent compatibility issues after the OS update. During installation, you'll see progress bars and occasional restarts. Be patient and avoid interrupting power or the process. You finish by completing the Setup Assistant, signing into iCloud, and accepting any new permissions. Once done, verify that your key app's launch and settings persisted. Make sure Time Machine has a fresh backup after the update and check system settings for any new options. If the Mac won't start or behaves oddly, boot into safe mode to diagnose. If needed, reset SMC or NVRAM/PRAM and try reinstalling. As a last resort, restore from your backup. This preserves data and returns you to a working state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.